Hi everyone, my name is Uri. I'm from a company called Sport Tracker. I know it's late, but I'll try to create some interest. Sport Tracker is a technology company. We are developing a heart rate monitoring sensing technology. This is, as you can see the optical LEDs here, and that's how we are measuring vital signs, heart rate from the body. The company was established in 2009, meaning that we are developing and perfecting this technology for several years now. We have engineers from the space program, so very strong engineering capabilities and some interesting investors from the consumer sports and electronics companies. So the company is focusing two main markets. The first market is the fitness and wellness, all the wearable technology devices that are out there, but also the infotainment. What is infotainment? There's a new market which are happening now, and this is the smartwatch market. We are not a device company, we're a technology company, so this is just a capability demo. But we are already speaking to these guys, and in these smartwatches there will be a lot of embedding sensing technology, and they are searching for new technologies, so there are interesting discussions there. A little bit about the technology, the idea. This is actually a small radar. Looks like a stealth bomber. The idea is that we shoot light into the body, we collect the returned signal. Just for your understanding, the signal-to-noise ratio is 99% noise and 1% information, vital information, that from this 1% we need to extract all the information that we are actually identifying and presenting. If you look at the technology, the similar technology in the market today, the technologies are susceptible to movement, to light, to location of measurements. You can see companies that are developing optical-based technologies. They are measuring for many different areas. One of the most complicated places to measure accurately is the wrist. There's a lot of bone, a lot of tissue here, and it's very difficult to identify and measure a heart rate correctly, and we are able to do it. And I'll show you some data. So we were able to solve these issues. Another issue which is very important is size. And as you can see, our sensor is this small area here. It's less than 10 millimeters by 10 millimeters, so this is very small. So we can embed this technology into almost any wearable device or clothes. And these are happening. Another issue which is very, very important is power consumption. We heard a lot about power consumption issues, and we were able to minimize the power consumption of our sensor, so we can run for many, many hours on a coin battery. And another issue is susceptible to movement and susceptible to light. When you take this technology to the consumer market, there are many issues which you have to solve, and we were able to solve all these issues. So as we heard, I think, earlier today, this technology is comprised of two different skills. One is the hardware, and is the hardware we developed technology that can take this 1% of information and amplify it in order to extract the vital information. All the issues of power management, optics, and so on. This is on the hardware side. On the software side, we developed a real-time signal processing, just like a radar. When you shoot signals into the sky and you collect the information, the return signal, we do the same. So we developed these algorithms, and our solution is a combination of both hardware and software on a single chip. This is some of the information that we are collecting. You can see that we can, this is a measurement compared to a polar heart rate monitor belt. As you know, heart rate belts are measuring ECG data. We are measuring PPG data over the wrist. You can see the accuracy of our measurement during motion. This is in walking, running. You can see the entire range of the heart rate, and we are very, very accurate. Okay, this technology has huge potential. The first applications that we are developing are for the consumer market. These are the heart rate, calories, respiration, oxygen levels, and so on. But the potential for the future is huge, and we are continuously developing additional applications for this technology. So to summarize, we have unique technology, it's patented, and we are soon ready for market, and I'll explain in a second. So what we are planning to do is develop a chip, a full solution that can be embedded into applications, and from then we can provide the raw data or the processed data. We are already speaking to the leading ASIC manufacturers, and they are interested in our technology. As you know, there's huge interest in the market now for sensor technology. The company now is actually, we're developing our market already. We have discussions, and the model that we are developing is both OEM, meaning taking our chip and allowing other companies to embed it, but also we have joint technology projects with some of the leading electronics manufacturers. So basically, you can take our technology, you can embed it into just about any wearable device, clothes, whatever. This is what we do. When it comes to timelines, at the end of this year, we are ready for the market. We're ready for full production as a system on chip. End of next year, we will have an ASIC that can be embedded into different devices. And again, to summarize, we have the technology. It's working. It's proven. We are now developing our market. By the way, our technology was compared to the leading technologies in the market and found to be very accurate. And we are now signing deals with some of the major electronics and sports brands. Thank you.